Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's Makeup by Mexi, and today, guys, I have a friend unboxing to do, and I got a lovely package in the mail today. So excited because nobody ever reaches out as much as I would hope that they would, because I just don't trust many people, and I've made some nice friends here, and one particular person right now has been really close, reaching out to me because we're both in the same situation about losing our parents, and we kind of just been chatting and keeping tabs on each other and stuff and uplifting one each other's spirit. And she sent me a package today, and the package is something special that I have no idea what's in it, so I'm so excited. And so this is the box that arrived right here, and I'm going to open it. I'm outside doing the unboxing because I've got a grandbaby sleeping in the house and it's too noisy, and I didn't want to do it, so I'm going to unbox it here, and let's see what she sent. And Gigi, I appreciate you, girl. Thank you so much. I don't want to cry on YouTube because it's embarrassing, and yeah, and you wouldn't want me to cry, you said, so I'm excited to open this, so let's get into it. I don't have my selfie stick or nothing with me, so I just took the tape off, but I haven't gone through it yet, so let's go in here. See what's in here. An Ulta bag. I'm going to be smart and hang it here on my chair so I don't drop something on the floor. Okay, so there's a letter inside. Let me read this in private, guys, and I'll be right back. This was tough reading, Gigi. It was so... You guys, I lost both my parents last year, so we're both going through a tough time because herself has also lost her parents, very close to, and we both have a lot in common with that, and we kind of are leaning on each other for support. But she writes, I'll share a bit with you. She says, "Thank you for your friendship. You have always been a positive person with courage, beauty, and staying true. I couldn't find a better friend than you. We both have a lot in common, going through hardships and struggles. And I hope today when you get this package, I bring smiles and warmth to your heart. Stay strong and remember you always be there for you. Love you, Mexi, Gigi." Aww. Thank you so much. I'm going to put this on my dresser next to my parents' picture. This is beautiful. I appreciate that so much. Here we go. Excited. Here's box number 1. Wow, Gigi, this is so beautiful. She sent me the Anastasia Prism palette. This is so expensive. I feel like I'm in, like, I've never expected anything. But this is a lot. I mean, whew, thank you so much. It's beautiful. Look at, I mean, a lot of you own stuff like this, but I don't. I am blessed. I am. Thank you, Gigi. This is one of the items that she sent in the box, guys. I'm so excited. I'm like, oh, I feel like a kid in a candy store. This freaking Christmas? This is better than Christmas. What the hell am I talking about? Man, sheesh. Oh, how cute. Oh, she sent me Black Opium. This is my favorite perfume that I'll never ever be able to afford ever. It is so expensive and it smells so good. Thank you, Gigi. I'm overwhelmed, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm like freaking out. I am freaking out because I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I know my parents had something to do with this. I do. I really do. Thank you so much. I can't wait to sniff it. I'm going to open this and I'm going to go crazy. Thank you. How cute. All the packaging and stuff. So cute. Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator from Laura Geller. How cute. I know you want me to open it, but I'm very careful about my makeup. I want to keep it in the bubble wrap. So, like, the little stuff, I'm going to keep it in a bubble wrap. And then, like, maybe when I get the courage to do videos, then I can, like, do videos and share the gifts. How's that sound, Gigi? Does that sound good? And then I can say, hey, guess who gifted me this, and do a video about it. If you hear noise in the background, dudes, because people are cruising by and our cars are making all kinds of freaking racket. Sorry. Oh my god, this is awesome stuff. Mario Badisco, this is like awesome stuff. Alright. Next item up for bids here is Mario Badisco. Badiscu. I don't know, but this is so good. I hear people ranting and raving about this all the time. Another item I'll never afford. And this is facial spray with aloe. Thank you so much. I saw you get something familiar to this in your box, and I was like, oh, it's good stuff. GG, you have good taste, girl. Man, you know how to shop for your stuff, man. You're a pro. You are a pro, mama. Okay. Oh, how cute. The Wet n Wild color icon. Ooh, Rust Champagne. It's pretty color. I don't got no color like this. This is nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm excited for oh, man, dude. NYX blush. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you, Gigi. Oh, this is so cute. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. I was looking at these before and I never bought one. I got one for my daughter. It had like a little mermaid on it one time. These are cute. Thank you. So pretty. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. So grateful. Man, blessed. This is a pencil sharpener. Oh, cute. I need one too because the one I have has like all kinds of crap flying out of it. Then we got over here the little 4 eyeshadow quad eyeshadows. Pretty colors. Champagnes and neutrals and stuff. That looks nice. Sweet and shimmer. Cute. Thank you. Gigi, I think I got one of your hairs in my box. I got a souvenir. I got a souvenir of your hair. So lovely. Wow, Gigi. Circa foundation. Thank you. I never tried this. I think this is this what is her name? That actress. I think it's that one actress line. I can't remember her name. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited. I'm like a freaking dang. Wow, Gigi. Look at that. So nice. Shoot, girl. You know, you got awesome taste. You know what I like. And see? You already know me. Aw, little buxom lipstick. Matches my shirt. Pretty. Thank you so much. We got over here. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. My gosh. I'm going to look like a beauty queen. It takes a lot to beat this face. Ooh, look at this. Bare Minerals Bare Skin Shimmer Sun. Cute. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, how cute. A lip gloss from Sweet Peach. How cute. Look at this. Oh, how nice, Gigi. Thank you. Pretty. Man, my kids are going to be jealous. Too bad. They can get their own, man. I'm not sharing. Then she got me a lip gloss from Mally. Pretty. I own nothing from them. This is really nice. I'm going to speed it up because I don't want to bore anybody here because I really want to get this. Oh, this is neat. What is this? What is this, Gigi? You have to tell me about this milk. I am not good at makeup products at all. I suck. Sunshine oil. I don't know, but it looks awesome. I want to use it. I'm going to use all this stuff. I am going to use it all. Yes, I am. Urban Decay Ultra Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Yay, because I don't have any more. Thank you. Do, 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 do. Ooh. A really nice... Oh, from Bite. Damn, girl, you got good-ass taste. Good taste. Sorry for my cousin. I'm excited, dude. I don't even know... Oh, my God. Ooh, pretty. Nice colors. Revlon Insta Blush. How beautiful. Thank you. Spackle. Yes, I need spackle. Laura Geller Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer. Awesome, man. That's nice. Oh my. I'm excited. I'm freaking excited. Ooh, pretty. Thank you, Gigi. I love you, Gigi. Not just for the stuff, because you're an awesome person. You're like me, like a heart of gold. I give stuff to people and I don't care about my own self. Browsings, yes, awesome, because look at how hideous these look. I gotta start working on this. Man, thank you. Shit, this is wild. Oh, how pretty. All these brands, I don't have none of this stuff. Thank you, Gigi. Man. This is a Super Glow. This one's wrapped up as a Super Glow. I think it's a highlighters powder in here. I'm gonna keep this on package because I don't like it to get dusty. And then she gave me a Lancome foundation. Wow, or Estee Lauder, man, dude. My mom loved Estee Lauder. See? I'm telling you. I know my mama. She probably was digging through your stuff. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Oh, cute. I only have the fake one. Thank you, Gigi. How cute. Look at turn up the watts. Benefits. I used to have one of these. I don't know what the hell happened to it. That's craziness. Oh, look at this. California Dream. How cute. Look at the packaging, guys. It's so freaking cute. It's a blush. That's nice. From Benefit, that's nice. Oh, man, you have really set my... I'm ecstatic. Thank you, because I have been... Today and yesterday has been a bad day. My dad got his plaque at the cemetery, and I saw a picture of it, and it just sent me over to the edge, like, oh, you know, like, oh, what a slap in the face. Sheesh. And then they screwed up some of the writing on it, so now it has to go back, and it's like, we're so excited for it, and now we have to send it back. So this makes up for the sadness. Thank you so much. This is Real Remover. Nice. Color lip gloss. Yeah. Ooh, I need this. An eyebrow pencil. Rock on. Thank you very much. Because I'm so horrible with you know, the eyebrow things. Mine are ugly. Look at this. That's a nice color from Tarte. That's so cute. And it could go in your purse. That's cute. And then this like backlight priming filter. So nice. Thank you. And then we got over here Lorac. I have no mascara from that little palette from them. That's nice, Gigi. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. And then she sent me, guys. Wow, Gigi. Thank you so much. You sent me this palette from Smashbox. It's Shoot, dude. Wow, look at this. This is nice. Beautiful. Thank you, Gigi. Very, very cute. Man. And then I got a Glam on the Go from Laura. I don't have anything from this lady. Thank you. Man. I know I'm going to have a meltdown after I get off this video. I'm going to have a freaking meltdown. Because I am in... I can't even talk. I got problems. Wow. Look at this. California Dream is so freaking cool. I love the packaging. It's a cheek palette. That's so cute. I've never seen this. You have good taste, Gigi. Thank you. Oh, so cute. I love their packaging. It's cute. Box of tricks. Yes, I need a box of tricks. Let me open it. Uh-oh. How cute. Look, guys. It's hard to film with one stupid hand. Oh, my God. Gigi. Girl, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so very much. You have made this day a blessed day. I am so blessed. I am thankful for you. I hope that I can return the favor. I sent you something in the mail, and I hope that you appreciate that. I'm not as privileged, but you made this day very privileged for me, and I mean, I don't know what else to say, but thank you from the bottom of my heart, Gigi. I love you so much. Thank you for thinking of me. And yes, you put a smile on my face, and you're going to bring tears after I get off this video. Thank you so much for all that you have done. I am blessed. You guys, thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please check out her channel, Gigi and Makeup. She's under my comment section on my videos. Find her, guys, and add her, please. She's a very genuine soul, and she's going through a lot. She just had surgery. God bless her for that. She will get better. And thank you for everything, Gigi. I love you. And you guys have a blessed day. Thanks for watching my channel. And